guys, Madam Sophie here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. This time I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Marc Jacobs Electrik eyeshadow palette. I bought this eyeshadow palette during the promotion that Sephora had, where if you spend I think $75, you will get $25 off. So I decided to buy this for myself because I've been longing to try an eyeshadow palette from the Marc Jacobs cosmetics brand, and the opportunity definitely presented itself. But if you'd like to see how I came up with this eyeshadow look, please stay tuned. If you are new to the Madame Sophie channel, I certainly welcome you to my channel. The Madame Sophie channel is about doing all things sophisticated. So if you know you're a sophisticated lady and you want to be part of the Sophy-Yas squad and the Sophy-Yas mix, you better hit that subscribe button and that bell that is right next to that subscribe button, just so that you will know every time I upload another sophisticated video. To my regular viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for visiting again. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for your continuous support and your time here on my channel. Alright, so let's jump right into that eyeshadow tutorial and we will be right back. Sophy-Yas, this is basically my take on this eyeshadow palette. In this eyeshadow palette, I really love the presentation. The presentation is definitely chic, definitely sophisticated, definitely an eyeshadow palette that will definitely let you come up with a variety of sophisticated looks. So this is, I love the sparkle, I love the glitter. You guys know how much I love my glitter. I love the glitter appeal to it. And I really love the eyeshadow shades that are in this palette. I used all of the shades in this eyeshadow palette, as you guys probably would have seen in the video. I used all 7 shades in this palette to create this look that I'm rocking right now. And the only thing I really don't like about this palette is the names of the colors are to the back. I really think that it would be a better idea to have the names over here. And I mean, yes, I would probably understand that it probably would take away from the sophisticated look that this palette has, but I really think that it would be so much of a better idea to put the names of the shades at the bottom of the palette. As you guys could see, this is from the this is from the Eye-Conic, the Eye-Conic collection from the Marc Jacobs eyeshadow palette. And this is the names of the eyeshadows. So let me see how good I am at this. So according to this eyeshadow name is called Rock Out. This one is named Feel. This one over here, which is the brown looking color, is called The Rhythm. This color over here is called Glittering. Right next to Glittering, the silver color is called The Stage. And the pink looking color over here is called In Stardust. And last but not least, the darkest color, which is a really black color in this eyeshadow palette, is called Tony. Sorry, what am I doing? Tonight. Tonight is the name of this eyeshadow palette. Guys, I can read, it's just that I'm reading upside down right now. I'm not a good reader when I'm trying to read upside down. So this is the name of this color. It's called Tonight. This color right here, which is called Rock Out, it has some form of shimmer to it, but it's more on the satin side. It's not really very shimmery or as shimmery as the Glittering, the Stage, and the In Stardust colors. So this is basically what I realized. Another thing I can see about this eyeshadow palette, definitely using it, I did get some kickback. There was some kickback. I don't know if you could really see it, but there actually was some kind of kickback. I did get some form of kickback in using the eyeshadow colors. I'm pretty sure you could see some kind of kickback in the black shade, as well as the Feel and the Rhythm colors, which would be your nude and your brown color. I did also get some kind of kickback with the Rock Out color. Now, the 3 shimmery shades in this eyeshadow palette, they more have a buttery texture to it. And I didn't really have much of a big problem working with it. The only thing I must tell you guys is that I did miss my brush when I was applying these shades to my eyelid. So now this palette is on the pricey side. I would not say that it is a must-have, but if you have money to spend, or if you have a coupon that you could use at Sephora, please consider this eyeshadow palette. If you like the color palette that this eyeshadow palette offers, definitely go for it. I think that the shimmery shades are indeed something different, and the black, the Tonight shade in this palette definitely works. So that is gonna be it for today, Sophy-Yas. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to the Madame Sophie channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell right next to that subscribe button, just so that you can join the Sophy-Yas squad and you will know when every time I upload a video on my channel. Don't forget, this channel is about all things sophisticated, and you don't want to miss out on the upcoming sophisticated videos. To my regular viewers, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for your continuous support. I really appreciate you stopping by on my channel. And again, if you're new, don't forget to drop something nice in the comment section so that I can officially welcome you to the Madame Sophie channel. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.